This is the ReVIVE series Solar ReStore. It is a 1500 milliamp backup battery, and it can be charged by solar power or by AC power as well. So when you get it out of the box, it's a nice small compact package. Got the solar panel on the front, comes with an LED light as well. You have out USB port on the side and the micro USB in port for charging the internal battery on the side as well. And then your on and off switch with 3 positions, off, on, and LED. Inside of the box you get a micro USB charging cable. It can be used to either charge the Solar ReStore or charge a micro USB device. And it also comes with an AC USB power adapter. So when you first get the Solar ReStore, the best advice given is to fully charge it for 6 hours with AC power. Plug it into the side, plug the other end into your AC power adapter that comes included, or into your computer USB port. And when it is charging, the LED light on the side will turn red. Now on the back you have little diagram as well as an indicator light. The diagram shows that for AC power and USB power, 3 hours for AC power, 5 hours to charge it with USB power, and then if you want to charge the internal battery with the solar power, it's about 6 hours. So again, when you first get it, you want to fully charge it up before using the device. We do recommend fully charging and fully discharging the internal battery 4 to 6 times before using the solar charging. The reason for that is the chemicals inside, they do need to be properly bonded with the electrical current. So once you get those properly bonded by fully charging and fully discharging the device about 4 to 6 times, they are properly cycled and bonded together at that point. When you want to use the Solar ReStore, you would plug one end of a desired cable into the out port, take the other end and plug it into the USB port of your device. And then turn the switch on the side from off to on. The light turns blue. You'll notice a battery icon letting you know your phone is charging, and then it'll start charging your device. One thing to keep in mind with the Solar ReStore, it is a 1500 mAh battery. So if you have a cell phone that has a larger battery, say the cell phone's battery is 1900 mAh, the internal battery of the Solar ReStore is only 1500 mAh. So if your phone's got 10% left, you're not going to be able to fully charge your phone because your phone's battery is larger than the Solar ReStore's battery. That being said, 1500 milliamps is quite a bit, so you should get a sufficient charge on your device. When you're done charging, unplug it, turn it off. That way you're not going to be continuously outputting power. And once the battery is fully drained, recharge the Solar ReStore again. Again, AC power, 5 hours with the USB, 3 hours in AC. To get a 50% charge with solar, it'll be 6 hours. The internal battery is only able to get that 50% charge to the internal battery from solar power. It does not get to 100% with solar power, only to 50%. Back to the back of the device, there is an indicator. There's a check button. Press and hold it down, and it will tell you. See that? There's 25, 50, 75, 100%. So when you press the battery, the LEDs will light up indicating how much power is left in the device. And if you want to use the LED, just switch it from off to LED, and you get a nice ultra bright LED. Some possible tips with the Solar ReStore: if it's not charging a device that you have plugged into it, try using a different charging cable. Try unplugging and replugging that charging cable, making sure it is firmly inserted into the ports of not only the Solar ReStore, but also into the device that you're charging. Also keep in mind, it's only able to output at 1 amp, so larger devices such as tablets or color e-readers, it won't be able to charge. It will be able to do cell phones and MP3 players very well though, because they're smaller and don't require as much power as the larger tablets do. So if you plug the tablet in and it's not charging, that's probably why. It doesn't output enough power. If you plug a device in and it's not sending a charge, You want to make sure that you do have it in the on position. It's only going to charge if it's in the on position. If it's in the off position, it's not going to output a charge. If the device is not charging, make sure it is in the off position. It will only receive a charge from solar or from AC power if it's in the off position. And that's the solar ReStore.